I'm not going to be long. I'm just going to say a few words about SIA and then ask our chief guest to come on the stage to address the gathering as well. This South Indian Association initially started in about 2008 as a small event and a small gathering, and formally in 2009, where it was a basis of which was to get together all the South Indian states just to be as part of the multilingual, multiracial association where there is a lot of diversity to create what I would say as a unity in diversity. South Indian Association has been organizing various cultural programs throughout the last few years. Diwali is just one such function, trying to get lots of families and lots of friends together. But I'm sure I can say most of us know each other in this room here. The other functions which have been organized by the SIA has been the annual cricket tournament, which involves a lot of other counties in this as part of the SIA organization, the badminton tournament, charity walks, and other functions as well. Lastly, can I thank all the mothers and the children who have played a huge part in this function to make this a huge success. Can I now invite Mr. Pankaj Sharma, Consulate General of India, who's originally from Uttar Pradesh, India, joined the Birmingham office in July 2014. He's part of the Indian Foreign Service from 2001. He's been deputed to Bhutan and Myanmar in the past. Can I please invite you, sir, to the stage to address the gathering?
Namaste and good afternoon. First of all, thank you, Dr. Vijayan, for inviting me to this function and giving me the opportunity to witness such a fantastic program, cultural program. This is really my privilege to be here, celebrating Diwali among our own people. And the spirit, the way you are celebrating Indian culture, it is hats off to you. Sometimes I feel that I may be working in Indian consulate or Indian embassy, but you are the real ambassador of India, who are spreading Indian culture, Indian traditions, Indian values so far off in the foreign lands in India. You are the real ambassadors. You are keeping alive Indian traditions and Indian culture. And as you know, Diwali is not a just Hindus festival. Now it has become a cosmopolitan and a global festival. Otherwise also, Diwali is celebrated by almost all communities in India, especially Hindus. They celebrate the victory of good over evil, the light over darkness. And our Sikh brothers also celebrate Diwali as a Bandi Chhod Divas, because this was the day when their great Guru, sixth Guru, was released from the Mughal captivity with other prisoners. Our Jains and the Arya Samajis also celebrate Diwali in some different format, like the Nirvana Divas or Mokshas Divas, like this. And as I am from the Indian consulate, so I would like to say something about the initiatives taken by the government of India in recent days. As you might be aware, in the coming week, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is coming to London. A lot of preparations are going on. A bus service has already been launched called the Modi Express. And this kind of program is being organized by the Indian community, not by the Indian embassy, not by the government of India, but Indian embassy in Wembley. This would be really setting a record in UK. I think this would be one of its kind of program. Some days back, we saw the welcome of the Chinese president. Now people will compare. Next week onward, the visit of Indian Prime Minister with that visit we saw a few weeks back. This is the power of you. Your commitment, your dedication, your sincerity. Otherwise also I would like to say, the Indians are known for their hard work. And more important to their hard work and commitment, for their successful integration with the local community, wherever they go. Because Indians, their genetic order is very liberal, moderate. Because India is a diverse society, multicultural, multi-plural, secular, and the same ethos you bring here and you are celebrating this thing. So really, whenever I go, I feel overwhelmed, especially by witnessing such kind of gathering. I am in Birmingham, I have attended so many programs in Birmingham, but I haven't seen such kind of creativity and innovativeness. This is all program done by you people. At other places, they call the professionals, they call the some groups, some dance groups, and but I was really amazed and wondering that such kind of program can be presented by our own family members, our mothers, our sisters, our wives, our kids, and it must have required a lot of hard work and the dedication and the preparation for it. Really, I salute to you and salute your spirit. You are the true India, and now you are the people who make India great. मेरा भारत महान है, तो आपकी वजह से महान है. ठीक? Thank you very much. जय हिंद.